Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sounds at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. Now we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this settings button. Here we can open the advanced camera settings, and we have to slide a little bit down to the general settings. At the third position in this category we have the shooter sound, so by using this button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on again as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera and take another picture. And now the sound is turned off, so we can't hear anything. And of course we can go back to the right corner, then to the settings from the left, slide again to the general category and turn on the sound again as we need. And now we can hear it when we take another picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.